Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Blink camera from account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Blink app and go to the home screen. Tap the settings icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the settings menu, find and select Device and System Settings to access your devices. Next, choose the system or room where your camera is currently assigned. For example, select the room where the camera is installed. Under the Cameras section, tap on the specific camera you want to remove from your account. This will open the Device Settings page. From here, tap on General Settings to continue. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the Delete Device option highlighted in red. Tap Delete Device once, and a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Tap Delete Device again to confirm and complete the removal process. So that's basically how you can delete Blink camera from account. That's it for this video. Thanks.